Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download your deleted games on your Xbox Series X. So if you can't find this game anymore and you want to go ahead and re-download back to your console, press the Xbox button, then go on down to My Games and Applications, and then go to See All. So if you have a game on your Xbox Series X, it will show up under the game section right here. And I have 7 games currently. So let's choose Minecraft and then press the button with the 3 lines on it and then go to Uninstall and delete it off my Xbox. Now I can't find it under here. So what I want to do is go on down to where it says Full Library and then go to the right. Then at the top it says All Games. We can go to Sort and we can go by A to Z, by letter, or we can go to the hidden section. So I have nothing hidden right here. So let's find Minecraft. This should be under the M section. So here's Minecraft. Let's select A on it. So this section will be all the games on your account. So they don't have to be downloaded to your Xbox to display under here. So you can see some older Xbox 360 games are appearing under this list as well, like Toy Story 3. Now at the top, you can see your own games, games with gold, owned apps, Xbox Game Pass, then your subscriptions for like EA Play or Ubisoft or GTA Plus. So you can find everything under this section. And then it should be in the queue. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.